Click on the drop-down menu called Calculation Standard. Here you will find Steam Water Heater. This calculation standard is dedicated to food and water applications. Steam water heater contains only relevant fluids. And only the relevant products. This calculation standard contains only products with big connections and few plates, suitable for steam water. When you start a new calculation, always start by selecting the product line. Let's start with the selection of a CB. You can choose to calculate all CB products. Alpha Nova is recommended when the customer demands stainless steel, if thermal fatigue is a problem, and if the cleaning requirement is frequent. Define the type of sizing in the menus. Let's start to make a selection. Type in the duty. When entering the input data, you can use the Tab key to move between the input fields. It is possible to enter the next value even if the previous is still processing, which will also speed up the calculation. Press Calculate Result List. Here you will find the best suitable units in the top of the list.